our channel. So for today's video guys ay mag-unboxing po tayo ng binili namin na printer. Ayan. Ayan. So for today's video guys ay unboxing po natin itong nabili natin na Canon printer. Ayan. So ito guys yung ano nito, yung ano to siya, Pixma Ink Epicent G2010. So, tingnan natin siya. Kasi, si Mahal, may dala siyang printer. Kaya lang, nakalimutan niya guys, magdala ng ink. Eh, syempre, pag galing ka sa ibang bansa yun, sabi nila, pag wala kami, ang dami naming hinanapan sa MOA, naghanap kami ng ink. Kaso, wala talaga kami nakita. So, no choice kami para kundi bumili ng bagong printer. So far, ito yung pinakamurang printer na aming nakita na mura siya pero syempre hindi naman, okay rin naman yung brand ng Canon. So, open sesame! Yan! So, ito siya guys. Super laki ng kanyang box. Where is the directions? Yeah, wait na. So, ito yung printer guys. Tingnan natin yung loob niya. Si Pixma Canon. Pero syempre, hindi ako yung mag-ano magde-demo. I don't know how to use printers. This is the first time that I will have a printer here at home. So, I don't know how to use printer. Especially that I'm not studying high school. So, I don't know how to use printer, guys. So, Dudong is the one going to explain how to use this printer to me. Ayan. So,
first, you got all these little orange tabs.
Ayan. So, iti-tasting natin tong ano, guys. Itong Canon na to. Maingay ngayon dito guys kasi marami kami rito ngayon. Nandun sila sa labas, nanonood sila ng TV.
Here.
Wow.
Scanner.
Open this. So itong printer na to guys, printer with scanner siya. Printer with scanner and what mahal?
You can also make a copy.
Ayan, printer with scanner and copying. So, tatlo siya, guys. So, may kasama siyang disc. Ito yung mga manual niya.
I think your laptop does not have a CD player. So we'll have to go to the website, download drivers if drivers aren't on the computer already.
Okay. Tapos, ito yung kasama sa loob, guys. So, ito yung ink niya, guys. So, medyo matagal-tagal yung ano nito. How many pages nga ito, mahal? How many pages?
I think it was
2,000 pages? Or
7,000 and 6,000.
7,000 to 6,000 pages. So, ito guys yung kasama sa loob.
6,000 black, 7,000 color. That's what I said. That's on the
Tatlo
box.
siya. Tapos, ito yung ano niya, cord. Tapos, this is one that we put the ink, right?
I think so. Once again, we'll have to read directions, but yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Well, this comes out.
Do you have ano na?
This comes out.
So, you put it inside here.
So there's the cartridge. That goes in, so try goes in, goes down.
Background.
This is the black So the other one must be coming.
Where you put it, Cloud?
We'll probably have to plug it in. If it's like my other one, it might come right in through here. You fill up the ink.
We put the 3 colors here.
Yeah, we replace. We don't replace. Yeah, I've never had one with the ink bottle.
So guys,
it'll be a learning experience for both.
This is also the first time of our Dudong to use this kind of printer. He also don't know how to use this. He also don't know how to put ink. So,
It does come with a printer cable.
so mag-aaral kaming dalawa, guys.
We were just doing an unboxing, not a operational video.
So later guys, babalikan ko kayo. Nalaman na namin kung paano ito gamitin. See you later! After a few minutes ay nalaman na nga ni Mahal kung saan ilalagay yung mga cartridge. Kaya ayan, kung makikita nyo, nilalagay na niya. Di ka. Siyempre ako, dakilang taga-video lang ako guys. Wala akong ambag dyan. So ayan, nilalagay na niya yung dalawa. Sa C at saka sa B. Ayan, kanina para kaming niisip namin, saan kaya dito yung C at B, yung pala may nakasulat sa medyo taas, medyo labo na yung mata namin. So ngayon, ilalagay naman ni Mahal dito yung black ink. Ayan. Ayan, malaki talaga yung lagayan ng black ink niya kaysa sa colors. Ito yung colors niya, 3. Pero maliliit lang yung mga bote niya. So yan, ilalagay na yan dyan ni Mahal lahat guys. Okay, a little bit.
Rubber stopper.
Close it. Okay. Last one ay yellow.
Which looks like orange.
Yeah, well, it looks orange, no?
Uh-huh. I had a copyright on the word orange, so I had to use yellow. Okay.
Close it.
Yeah.
Close it.
And let's see. Look in the power cable. Alright. There's the power cord.
Oh, the Mahal.
There we go. All right.
So yan guys, editinry na nga ni Dudong yung printer at syempre gumana naman. Naka-tasting na kami ng isa guys.
Oh, yeah. if that worked. I think you just put it down there and then hit your, yeah. So what you, yeah? What you do is you want to scan that, so I just did black, so that pink stuff didn't come up. So if you want to do that, get the exact same copy, just put it on there, close it, hit color, and it should do its thing. Okay, good. It's not making a noise right. Yeah, so the scan you just hit black or color, whichever you need.
If just you only want black, just black.
Yeah, yeah. But keep in mind, like that had a little bit of pink up on top. If you just do black, you won't get that pink in there.
Okay.
See, on this one I just did black.
Yeah.
See a little bit of pink in there, but it didn't show up when I just did black.
Yeah.
But when I did the color, it popped up.
So, ayan guys, sa mahaba-habang, ayan, pagtingin-tingin dito, edi syempre, nalaman na rin kung ano yung kailangan gawin. So, sa wakas, ay gumana naman yung printer. So, yan lamang guys, that's our video for today. Hope you like, comment, and share this video. Ayan, at kung may mga suggestion kayo guys, ayan, comment lang po kayo sa baba ng video. Thank you for watching! Hello guys! So for today's video ay mag-unboxing tayo. Pero syempre kami yung video. Nabuksan ko na siya bago pa ako nag-umpisa mag-video. So dumating na yung in-order nating card reader. Ayan, in-order ko po ito sa, dito sa TikTok. Ayan, for 199 only. Ayan, so ito siya guys. Ito siya. Ayan, in-order ko to kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko nalagay yung aking card reader, kaya nihirapan ako mag-transfer ng pag kinukuha ko yung capture ng aking GoPro. Kaya, ayan, malaking to sa akin, malaking tulong to sa akin kasi lalagay ko na lang yung SD card ng GoPro dito, tapos isasaksak ko siya sa laptop. So, ayan, parang ang cute niya, mahaba rin yung cord niya guys, oh. So, that's all for